Receive immediate results by doing this only once a day. Do this before sleep or before you start your day. You need to do this only once and it will be less than a minute a day. It is important that you are relaxed and comfortable. Close your eyes. Breath in deep, breath out slowly. Imagine yourself being surrounded by a dome of golden light and energy. This golden light is surrounding you as if you are wrapped in a safe and secure golden globe or dome. This energy has the magical and magnetic energy of abundance, and this will not only attract unlimited abundance to you fast. It will also protect you from negative and dark energy. Every time you feel down during the day, just imagine your golden dome protecting you, filling you with its endless abundance and positivity. Now go about your day being happy and protected and expect great miracles to arrive very soon in your life. Subscribe so that you can come back and share your magical moments here with us and inspire others to feel your joy.